Hi guys, I'm here today with another great red light therapy device from Viconor. I've already tested a couple of devices from them and they have been working really awesome. Viconor, obviously one of the biggest brands when it comes to red light therapy. And this one here is especially made for knees and elbows, but we can also use it on other places. What's really special is here that it already includes a high capacity power bank. So you can use this therapy device almost everywhere. And it has 3 built-in power levels. It comes with a 2 watts, 8 watts or 16 watts option. And we cannot only control it here on the device itself, it comes also with a free app which you can use to have much more settings of this device. So let's open the box and see what we get. It comes with this nice instructions manual. And here we have the power bank. It comes also with a wall plug power supply. And here's the device itself. And you can see it's nicely made, really nice and smooth. And so we can connect it to the USB-C of the power bank. Then activate the power bank here with this button. And then long press this button here to activate the red light therapy belt. And now we can store the power bank here inside. And with this button we can adjust the level. You can see we have this white, we have this red, we have the blue. And so you can see that here also from this side 3 different levels. And so we can wrap it here around our elbow. Easily works with one hand here. We secure it also down here. But before we secure it here on top, we have to turn it on, of course. We select the needed level of therapy and then close it here fully. So I can still walk around, do whatever I want and still have the therapy working here. And so if you want to have more settings, more options, then we can download the free Viconor app from the App Store and open it. And we provide all the required authorizations. And so we turn it on again with a long press and choose the knee pad. So we go to the settings here and now it's scanning to find the device. We have this knee pad. We confirm the connection. And so let's go back. And now we can control it from here, as you can see. Of course, we can see it better when we have it on this side. So we turn it on here and turn it off, or adjust the different brightness levels here, as you can see. And from here we can also adjust the timer between 1 minute and 30 minutes maximum. So I would say a really great device, has everything what we need, is easy to apply, easy to carry. We have all the options. It comes with the infrared light at 660 nanometers, which you have to use on the bare skin. But it comes also with the near infrared light of 850 nanometers, which can even penetrate close, go deep into the skin and can have even very positive impact on the bones. So no matter what you have, if you have just an injury, pain, inflammation, or you just want to do some rejuvenation and you want to treat your elbow, knees or other areas, this is the thing to go. Really awesome device. So definitely works for me and I'm sure it will also work for you too. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it, and hopefully able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.